Hey best friends, so we are back and we have a wig review slash I'm gonna try to put it in my head or whatever you want to call it. So this is the wig, Eayon Wig, water wave unit, full lace wig. Pretty, ain't it? Yes ma'am. What's in the box? Ooh, it came with a band and we have a wig cap. Yes, and it was my skin tone color, so I was very, very happy about that. So let's get into it. So this is the inside of the unit, and now you'll just see me measuring the band to my head like I see y'all be doing, making sure that it's not too tight to where it cuts off my thinking process, but just good enough to put in the wig. And mind you, I've never sewn anything into a wig or period, never done this, but we're gonna see. So that's all good to go, and I'm just gonna take my lighter and I'm going to do the ends so it doesn't fray or anything. I can't. There we go. Yeah, got it. And we just have the regular needle and thread, and I'm gonna go ahead on and start trying to sew the band in, people. And yes, I was struggling, but it's not that hard. You can look at a video on YouTube like I did and you can figure it all out. Purr. So our band is all set and sewed in the wig, and now I'm going to go ahead on and try it on my head to make sure that, it lays flat like I need it to. You feel me? Because, that's the whole purpose of the band. You got to make sure that, everything is, all laid nice and flat and snatched. Bum, bum, bum. Yeah, yeah. Ooh, yes, girl. You're giving me so much of Whitney Houston. You're giving me Diana Ross. You're giving me, big hair realness. And once again, struggling. But, yeah. Did a good job with that band, huh? You go, girl. You feeling yourself, huh? We see you. And I like to ball that water, that water, that water. And this is our Temptation semi-permanent rinse that we rinse the hair with. And right here, I kind of went back in and I put more dye because I just didn't feel like the dye was sticking. And yeah. Hey, how y'all doing? Let me update y'all. Because look, I know y'all saw the Kiss Temptation, right? Right. So I dyed the hair. I tried to watercolor it. I watercolored hair before. Never used that brand. But why the fuck y'all think I'm sitting up there watercoloring and it wasn't turning black? So I tried to do it the old-fashioned way. I thought it worked. I rinsed it out, and guess what? That shit came out. What did I do wrong? Cause I see everybody else doing it, and it looked like it worked for them, but not for me. But that's neither here nor there. So I had to go to Walmart, get some Revlon, the hair dye that I usually use, and I dyed it the old-fashioned way, rinsed it out, beautiful, jet black. Hair blacker than Snow White, hair black as the whatever woods that it was black as. So yeah, now we got it conditioning, marinating over there in the zinc. I'm playing, y'all, the sink. And we're just gonna pray about it, because after that we're gonna wash that out, and then we're gonna see about installing it, because I've never installed, like, this is, well, I have put my wigs on, but like cutting the lace, dyeing it, sewing the band and all that, baby, look, it's for y'all though. So we about to see if it works. We about to see, and then I'll go ahead on and give y'all the specs on the hair. So let's see what happens. So I actually went back in with a Revlon color and dyed this hair because the Temptation was garbage. It was booty. And now I'm just going to try to go ahead on and lay this on my head. I cut the ear tabs off and stuff, measured it to my head. And now we're going to try to stick it down. You feel me? Ooh, yeah, that didn't work like I wanted it to at all. But it happens to the best of us. Okay, so I'm just about to put my She's Bomb goo on my forehead, because I don't like to put glue on my wig. Not that I have any anyway right now. And this should stick it for a little while. And now I'm just gonna blow dry it a little bit. You know, just to get it a little tacky. And I'm going to pull this down. You feel me? Okay. And I'm just going to press it in with the comb. And mind you, I think this is funny because I've never really just like put the wig on with the lace still on it, but I see a lot of people doing it and it seems to work out decent. So now I'm gonna spray with a little spray and run my comb back through it. Don't know what the hell this is. This is under there. And we're just gonna take our time. Where is this? Oh, okay. We're gonna take our time. Bro. Okay. We're gonna take our time. And y'all, I did cut a little bit too much off of that side, but it's okay. I'm gonna make it work the best way I know how. Don't know how, but I'll make it work. Okay, so I'm gonna put some over here to make sure that's nice and laid. The spray. And now we're gonna take our scarf and tie it down. That's what I'm gonna do anyway, to make sure everything is nice and laid. And then we'll come back and cut the lace off and style her. You feel me? So this is what we have so far. Now we're gonna cut the lace and style her. Boo. So now I be seeing people hit this little number right here, where they just like cut up. And then they take like the little razor. Lord. That it? I'm about to get the hair out the way. And we're just going. So this is what I thought the final product was, and this was me at work the next day. But okay, so my phone went dead last night, but let's talk about this wig. So ahead of this clip, I posted how I wore the hair to work. So basically I was not happy with it. It was okay, but I went ahead and I removed the wig earlier, and I bleached the knots, and I plucked it, and we have a middle part now. So I'm gonna go ahead on and let you all see how that looks, and I'll be back. So this is what the wig looks like now, bleached and plucked. I'm gonna go ahead and put some powder around here and style it, people.
Round 2, fight! you need to take a chill pill, you know?
So my final opinion on this wig, this is a great wig. It is a 20-inch. I want to say it's water wave, and it's a full lace wig, 360. It's really, really full, really, really pretty. The curls, oh my god, the curls are so freaking cute. But you know, I have no complaints. So if you're looking for a nice little curly wig, I want to say I paid like $200 something for it. It was really, really inexpensive. So y'all should probably check that out. And I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I tried, and maybe, you know, we'll do some more. I think I'm getting better at customizing my little wigs if needed. You know, usually I have them pre-customized already, like I said before. But, you know, you gotta do what you gotta do. Bye, y'all. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.